How to start an e-commerce business from home. Step 1. Research your market and product idea. Before you get started building your e-commerce business, make sure you do some research to find a profitable niche and product idea. Step 2. Build up your online store. Once you've found a profitable niche and product idea, it's time to start building your e-commerce store. There are two main types of e-commerce businesses. You can either sell your products on a third-party site like Amazon or your own website. Step 3. Promote and grow your e-commerce business. Once you've gotten your online store up and running, it's time to start promoting and growing your e-commerce business. Start by creating killer product pages. Your product pages are shoppers' first interaction with your e-commerce business, so you need to make sure they are well designed and informative.